Today on Tech Tune-Up, we will be taking a closer look at extensions. No, not hair extensions. Not an extension on your house. Ah, wrong again. Now we're talking. The specific Google Chrome extension we'll be checking out today is called Awesome Screenshot and Screen Recorder.
Everything is awesome.
I know. That name sounds like a rather obvious exaggeration. But after putting it through its paces myself, I think this little extension is really useful and kind of awesome.
Everything is awesome.
With Awesome Screenshot and Screen Recorder, you and your students can quickly and easily capture photos or record video of your computer screen. Plus, you can easily annotate and share these with others. Let's take a look. First, we'll head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for Awesome Screenshot. Then click the Add to Chrome button right here, followed by the Add Extension button here. Okay, let's recall that extensions are little programs that live inside Chrome to extend its functionality, and you access them here in your Chrome window. To see your installed extensions, click on this puzzle piece icon at the top right. To keep an extensions button next to these others, click the pin option. There, we are ready to go. When you need to take a screenshot, simply click this icon at the top right. Select the Capture tab, and then choose how much of your screen you want to include in the image. I really like the Capture the entire screen option because other apps force me to stitch together multiple screenshots to get everything needed for a full page view. This option will capture the entire web page in all its glory. For the selected area screenshot, you'll need to be in charge of the crosshairs so you can drag a box around the area you'd like to select. Do this step, then click Capture to capture the highlighted area, or simply click Cancel to reselect. Then your image will open in this tab. Here you can resize, crop, draw, or paint on, and add text to it. It's really where the magic happens. When you're finished, click Done, and you'll see these options to save, download, generate a shareable link, and much more. Isn't this awesome?
Everything is awesome.
You and your students can use Awesome Screenshot to edit photos for class blogs, newsletters, presentations, and lessons, or to quickly show someone something rather than try to explain it. Because a picture is worth 1,000 words. Overall, Awesome Screenshot is, well, awesome. And its basic features are free. That's going to do it for this month's Tech Tune-Up. See you next time.